Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sabrina Nurufida. I'm from Physics Department at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In this opportunity, I will share about our research developing multi-tier open-ended transversal wave instrument or MOTWI. How to assess student misconception? Okay, first about introduction. Concepts are the basic things that must be owned by students. However, often students find conception based on intuitive thought and phenomena they see. So many of these conceptions are incompatible with scientific conception. So this is opposite with scientific concept. The assessment is needed, especially regarding the development of transverse wave diagnostic test instruments. Several studies have developed diagnostic tests in the form of 2-tier, 3-tier, and 4-tier on topics of wave. However, some studies have only developed it in the form of statement in the first tier, not in the form of other representations, such as representation of image, table, and mathematical symbol. So based on the needs, a diagnostic test is needed that can access student conception and misconception more deeply. So in this research, a 4-tier transverse wave diagnostic test was developed. At the first tier, it is multiple choice test, and the third tier, it is open-ended test. Therefore, in this study, the diagnostic test is called multi-tier open-ended transversal wave instrument or MOTWI. Okay, research methods for the model is used as the methods in this study. There are defining, designing, developing, and disseminating. The sample of the research use cluster random sampling. There are 67 high school students aged 16 until 18 years. 2 male called Mas and 46 females called Ba. And located this research is in Tuban, East Java, Indonesia. You can see the maps from Google. Okay, Tuban Regency is located off the north coast of Java, where students encounter many wave phenomena. Okay. In this instrument, use multi-tier open-ended transversal wave. The content is the characteristics of transverse wave and the relationship of magnitude transverse wave, such as amplitude, wavelength, wave propagation, frequency, and period. All of them analyzing using Rats model with mini step based on wide map, validity from item dimensionality, converge alpha, and item reliability. The student conception and the score are added from Aminuddin. You can see about table 1 and table 2. Table 1 is category student conception. There are sound understanding, partial understanding positive, partial understanding negative, no understanding, misconception, and no coding. This is in table 2 conception and misconception score. Okay, result and discussion. First step is defining. In this step is literature study of the student conception of transverse wave. This is literature. The study is just 2 topics that students have received in school. Next step is designing. Multi-tier test design. You can see the figure 2. Okay, for tier diagnostic test, in the tier 1 is multiple choice, and second tier is level of confidence, and third tier is about reasons, open-ended question, and the last tier about level of confidence. So this instrument called MOTWI. And the third step is developing. MOTWI is not only made in the form statement, but also the form is multi-representation. Various representation present on the first tier are image or curves, table, mathematical symbol, and statement. You can see in the figure 3 in first tier and other tier. And the last step is disseminating. Mode Y diagnostic test was implemented for students to assess student conception and misconception about transverse wave topic. 1. The result of the validity from item dimensionality of mode Y. You can see in figure 4, okay, the value of the raw variance explained by measure is 53.3%. The index value is more than the minimum validity limit, which more than 20%. So mode Y is a valid instrument. Okay. And the second is converge above value and the result item reliability of mode Y. Okay. Converge above value is 0.75. Based on the result, it can be concluded that instrument in a good category. In item reliability is very good category. Okay, and the last result is assessing student conception and misconception. We use rank maps in figure 7 and figure 8. Okay, in equation 3 is highest level of difficulty because there are very few students can answer the question. And then the question 7 is highest student asked question that many students can answer the question. While the question 2 and question 6, okay, have a level of difficulty that it's not much different. We can see students in this level have a good concept, but in this level is low concept. This is related with figure 8 about the score misconception based on rank map. This is student the lowest potential for experience misconception. Yeah. In this level, the highest potential for misconception, and this level is the lowest potential misconception. Okay, this is opposite with conception. Okay, and the finding of the most common misconception are 3. The first is about the amplitude, wavelength, frequency, period, and wave propagation. Second, about students assume that the curve of the relationship between deviation with time is wavelength, but it is a period. And the last is students think that of the frequency is changed, but the nature of the string is constant, but the speed of the wave will change as well. Whereas the speed of wave propagation depends on the nature of the rod, string tension, force, and the mass per unit length of the rod. Okay, and the last is conclusion. Based on data, our research can be concluded that diagnostic test in the form of mode Y is accurate in assessing student conception and misconception. In the development stage, mode Y is made in the form of multiple representation, and this emitting stage, mode Y is implemented for students to determine student conception. The validity of mode Y in diagnostic test can use item dimensionality is valid for item, and the converge alpha value from mode Y is very good category, and the item reliability is very good category too. The construct validation result of mode Y are valid and reliable for 7 items. So the finding of the most misconception are about the characteristics of transverse wave and the relationship between the magnitudes of wave. And then the last is our recommendation for further research is to access student conception and misconception of the transverse wave using mode Y in other locations or other countries. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.